FlexSeal Color's thick liquid dries to a watertight, flexible, rubberized coating. Hi, Phil Swift here for FlexSeal Clear, the crystal clear way to coat, seal, and stop leaks fast. Just a quick shot, and FlexSeal Clear fills in cracks and holes while remaining virtually invisible. This clear rubberized coating seals and protects without changing the look of your beautiful surfaces. Perfect for countertops, windows, and tubs. With FlexSeal Clear, everything in plain sight can be sealed watertight. Forget thin, runny spray paints. FlexSeal's thick rubberized formula covers fast with just one pass. FlexSeal Colors have the same sealing power as the original, now in vibrant colors that can transform and protect virtually anything. Don't waste time and money fixing leaks the old-fashioned way. FlexSeal Clear is guaranteed to coat, seal, and stop leaks fast. Now you can get the incredible power of FlexSeal in original, bright for surfaces that are light, and FlexSeal Clear for everything in plain sight. We FlexSealed everything you see here. Imagine what you could do with FlexSeal Colors.